Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today we've partnered up with IXO to unbox and test out one of their best-selling gel polish kits on Amazon Prime. This kit has everything you need to get a professional gel manicure at home. As always, we'll have a direct link to the kit for you guys in the description box below.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump right on into the video and start with unboxing. The IXO Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit comes with everything you need to get started. You get a gel lamp, you get 6 gel colors, a top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat. This kit also comes with some grooming products to help you achieve a nice manicure. You get 2 brushes, one is a soft bristled brush, and you get a harder one for cleaning underneath your nails. You get a metal cuticle pusher and scraper, some cuticle oil, as well as a cuticle fork. You're also going to get 4 remover pads and some toe separators, and 3 files. One is a nail buffer, a polisher, and your classic nail file. The LED lamp that comes with this kit is a smart sensor nail polish dryer, which means the sensor is going to automatically start the curing process as soon as you put your hand into the machine. You don't need to click any buttons. There are adjustable timer settings for 5, 30, and 60 seconds. And you can also control the amount of watts you want to use. There is a 24 and a 48 option. Now let's take a look at all of the polish colors you get in this set. First up, we have the color 087, and this is a soft peach shade. Next is 092, and this is a creamy beige color. 123 is a dusty rose color. 1191 is a light lilac purple. The shade 209 is a gorgeous gray eggplant color. And lastly is 760, and this is a cool tone mossy green. Now I'm going to swatch all of these shades for you on a nail wheel so you can see what the colors really look like. I'm going to leave one of them shiny and then apply the matte top coat to one of them so you can see both with a matte and a shiny finish. All of these colors had a really nice smooth texture and they self-leveled really well. And they were all perfectly opaque and 2 coats. So now that I've seen all these shades, I'm actually going to pick one and I'm going to apply it to my nails. But first, I gotta make sure my natural nails are ready for the gel. To do this, I'm going to start with the metal cuticle pusher that was provided in the kit, and using the flatter side, very carefully push back my cuticles, and then I'm going to flip that tool over and scrape off any extra cuticle that I have on my nail plate. Then I'm going to use a little nail brush and just remove any of that debris. And after that, I'm going to use one of the buffing block files provided, and I'm going to scratch up my nail surface just a little bit, and this is going to help the gel really adhere to the nail and help your manicure last longer. And then I just dusted away all of the excess debris with that soft little brush provided. And now my nails are ready for gel. So first I'm going to apply the base coat, and I always line the cap of my nail first and then I apply the gel to the rest of my nail. And then I'm going to cure that in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I'm going to move on to the color coat. I decided to go with that really pretty dusty purple shade in the number 209. I thought it was just super autumnal, and when I applied it on my swatch wheel, I could tell it was really well pigmented and I really wanted to try it on my nails. And just like with the base coat, be sure to cap the free edge of your nail with the color coat just to ensure that your entire nail is encapsulated with the color. This is also going to help your manicure last longer. After I applied that first layer of polish to all of my nails, I cured it in the LED lamp for 60 seconds. Again, I just put my hand under there, I selected the 60 seconds, and then when it's done, it shuts off and you're good to go. Next, I'm going to do a second coat of that just to make sure the color is as rich as it can be. If you happen to get gel polish on your skin, before curing it, make sure to remove it to prevent any burning or edges that may cause lifting later. After the color gel has cured, it's time to top that with a top coat. And the top coat provided in this kit is so nice. It is a no wipe top coat, which means once you cure it, you do not have to remove any sticky layers. It is set and good to go. It has a really nice, shiny, juicy finish, and I really liked it. Then to rehydrate the skin around the nails, I'm going to use that cuticle oil and just apply it liberally. And here's the finished result. You guys, I am so obsessed with this color. I wore this for a full week after I did this video. I love it, and it stayed super shiny and glossy the whole time, and it wore really, really well. There you have the IXO Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit. I think it is absolutely awesome for beginners, and if you're interested in it, we will have links to this product in the description box below. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, you can click on these boxes here, and you can click on the circle to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here. As always, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.